Recognizing the signs of test anxiety. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very important topic, recognizing the signs of test anxiety. If you've ever felt jittery or nervous before an exam, you're not alone. Understanding the symptoms can help you manage them and excel in your exams. Let's dive in. Test anxiety is a feeling of heightened stress, nervousness, or fear that one may experience before or during a test. It can negatively impact one's performance, even if they're well prepared. It's not just about feeling a little nervous. It's when these feelings become so strong that they interfere with your ability to perform to the best of your abilities. Test anxiety can manifest itself in various physical ways. Recognizing these signs early can be crucial. Rapid heartbeat. Feeling like your heart is racing or pounding in your chest. Sweaty palms. Hands may feel clammy or moist, even in a cool room. Shaking. Trembling hands or legs, especially when you're not cold. Dry mouth. Difficulty swallowing or a feeling like your throat is parched. Upset stomach. Nausea, stomach cramps, or even feeling like you might vomit. Headache. Tension headaches or migraines that come on suddenly. Apart from the physical signs, there are emotional and cognitive symptoms that can indicate test anxiety. Feelings of panic. A sudden overwhelming fear. Feeling trapped or unable to think straight. Negative self-talk. Thoughts like, I can't do this, I'm going to fail, or, I'm not good enough. Comparing oneself to others. Feeling like everyone else knows more or is better prepared. Inability to concentrate. Despite knowing the material, you find it hard to focus or recall information. Blanking out. Suddenly forgetting information you once knew well, especially once the test begins. There are also behavioral signs of test anxiety. Avoidance. Procrastinating or avoiding studying altogether. Overstudying. Feeling like no amount of studying is ever enough. Rapid test completion. Racing to finish without carefully reading or considering answers. Isolating from others. Avoiding friends, family, or classmates before the test. Recognizing the signs of test anxiety is the first step in managing and overcoming it. If you've identified with any of the symptoms mentioned, know that you're not alone. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore strategies to combat and alleviate test anxiety, ensuring you can perform at your best. Remember, understanding is the key. Thanks for joining us, and keep aiming high.